Here we have 95 add 17, and we do it exactly the same way as before. We go to our lowest value column and we add all our units. Pull them all down, and when we look at our units we have 12. So I can take away 10 of these and I can exchange them for 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we know the 110 doesn't go here, it needs to go in the tens column. Here we are. And if you have a look at this, you will see 5 and 7, that's 2 units here, and 110 here. Now, just out of interest, this is our 12 that we got out of the ones column. Have a look at this. That shows us our 12, and we can actually read it as a 12, even though it looks like a small one. It still looks like a 12, so we know we've recorded it the proper way around. 110 and 2 units. Next part, we draw down all of our tens into our answer box, and don't forget the one at the bottom. Now we're getting a bit full here, and I'm thinking this is more than 9, and we know we can only have a 9 digit here, so I think we have more than 9. We've got 9 plus 1 plus 1, so I'm expecting 11. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And we can't have 11 in here. But what we can do is change 10 of these 10s for a 100. Now I'll leave that there. Let's check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So these 10 tens are the same as a 100. But I can't have all these 10 tens in the tens column, so if I swap these 10 tens for my 100, I've still got the same number of tens. I've still got 10 tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Effectively just stuck together, and I've got this one. Now this one can stay because we've got 110, but the 100 needs to go in the hundreds column. Where does it go? It goes down here and it waits till we need it. It just lives there for the minute. Let's finish our tens column. How many tens have we got? Just 1 here. And don't forget the 100, and again it goes in the hundreds column, but we haven't got a hundreds column yet. Now we have, so our 100 goes in our hundreds column down here, just a small one. And now we pull down everything in our hundreds column, which is nothing from here, and we bring up this 100. And how many hundreds have we got in our hundreds answer box altogether? 1. So our answer is 100, 110, and 2 ones, and altogether that's 112. Okay, so we've just done 95 plus 17. And we used cubes and tens and 100s. And they're fine to use, but we can also use place value counters. And place value counters look like this. So this 1 place value counter is worth 1 cube. It represents 1. So those are the same. And the 10 is represented by a 10 place value counter, and the 100 is represented by 100 place value counter. So we can use these, which are a little bit easier to use as long as we understand this 100 has the same value as this. So I'll put them down here just to remind us. It's exactly the same value. Okay, so if we're going to do 95, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we need 90.